Hi guys, it's Angela with Andy Styles Boutique. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a repeat viewer, welcome back. If you are a subscriber, thank you guys so much for rocking with us. We love you. Thank you for encouraging us and thank you for hanging in there with us while we build this channel. So today I am doing an unboxing from the Crysatl Lac Company. Now I have been watching YouTube videos on this particular brand to get my skill set up to where I am able to show you and teach you on our channel. But right now, let's go and look into what we have in the box. There's these peanuts. So what I did order was a flippin' awesome set, I guess. Let's see, is this what I ordered? Maybe this isn't it. Okay, hold on, let's see. So I ordered the Bright Tone, which is a high solids top coat that you use like you would epoxy. I ordered some mixing cups, more mixing cups. I got a thing for cups, guys. I also ordered some of their paints. I am excited to try these. They had a bundle, which is what I ended up getting. And like a bag full of it. And it's basically the colors, all of the colors that they have. Well, maybe not all of them, but it's a good bit. You see how much I have? They have all of the color names on them. So when I'm doing the videos with the tumblers, I can tell you the correct name that I am using. So I'm super excited. There's more about using this product line, I should say. Let's see what, there's more pink in here. Let's see. They're so pretty. The colors are so pretty. I can't wait to see how they're going to turn out on my craft projects. There's another one in here that didn't make it into the box or the bag. I have some more cups. Yep, I have a fixation with mixing cups. I ordered a good bit of them. Wow. And they have tops, so I use those for my glitter. I'll use those for my glitter. I ordered this brush, which is their brush, to wipe off excess items as well. It's very pretty. It's fancy. Look at it. I like it. I'm excited. I can't wait to use it. Let's see what else is in the box. There is some glitter glue. But guys, I didn't order any glitter. I'm going to order some glitter from them. I'll go back and order some glitter. So this is what I purchased. This is their little brochure on how to use their products, what to do, how to make recipes, and so on and so forth. So I am excited, and I'm going to go back and order some of their glitters, and they have pigments. I want to do like a whole series of Crysatl Lac products on some tumblers and other things that I want to make. So we're going to do a series with Crysatl Lac, so stay tuned. But yeah, that's what I ordered. It was a flippin' awesome 3-in-1 paint primer sample set. That's what was on special. And then I ordered some Bright Tone and some glitter adhesive and 5 of the 2-ounce mixing cups. So, and the brush, and I ordered the brochure. So stay tuned. We will be having some fun with the Crysatl Lac products. So thank you for hanging out. If you like what we do here, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy crafting.